Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of gear that could potentially save your life in emergency situations. I'm talking about the best emergency solar blanket. If you're looking for something lightweight yet incredibly effective for outdoor adventures, survival kits, or just a little peace of mind during stormy weather, you've come to the right place. This emergency solar blanket is designed with a reflective material that retains up to 90% of your body heat. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a backpack or glove compartment, making it an ideal companion whether you're hiking, camping, or facing unforeseen circumstances at home. One of the standout features of this solar blanket is its versatility. It can be used in a multitude of situations. If it's chilly outside, simply wrap yourself in this blanket to capture and preserve your body heat. If you find yourself under the scorching sun, wrap the reflective side outwards to keep yourself cool and shielded from direct UV rays. This dual functionality is what sets it apart from standard survival blankets. Furthermore, this emergency solar blanket is incredibly durable. Made from high-quality materials, it's not only water-resistant but also tear-resistant. This means you can count on it in tough scenarios without the worry of it falling apart at a crucial moment. Transportation is a breeze as well. When folded, it fits comfortably in hand, and you'll hardly notice it in your pack. It's lightweight, perfect for those who already carry a lot of equipment. Just imagine, you can find yourself on a day hike and suddenly the weather turns. Having one of these can truly make a difference. And it doesn't stop at outdoor activities. This blanket can be a lifesaver during unexpected emergencies, like a car breakdown in a cold area or even natural disasters. It's designed with survival in mind, allowing you to stay warm and secure while waiting for help to arrive. To maximize its effectiveness, it's smart to keep one of these blankets in your emergency preparedness kit as well. Pair it with items like a first aid kit and water supply, and you're setting yourself up for success should the need arise. So, if you're looking for a reliable and multifunctional emergency solar blanket, this is definitely one of the best options out there. The combination of lightweight material, heat retention technology, and durable construction makes it a must-have for anyone's survival gear. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Stay safe out there, and make sure you have the right gear for every situation. See you in the next video.